How to expand your school to other states. Growth multiplies impact, but multiplies regulations too. If you're searching how to expand a college to other states, plan ahead. Opening a branch requires new state authorization, not just a notice. Research target state laws, fees, timelines, and surety bond rules. Register your entity as foreign if operating physically in that state. Prepare location applications with programs, faculty, and facilities. Expect site visits and initial enrollment limits for new branches. Notify your institutional accreditor about additional locations. Many expansions require substantive change approval in advance. Align policies and curriculum across campuses for parity. Centralize data in unified SIS and LMS with campus tags. Staff locally with experienced directors and student services. Use traveling faculty mentors to transmit culture and quality. Phase programs. Do not launch everything on day one. Set conservative ramp curves for enrollment and staffing. Budget fit out equipment and marketing for local context. Build employer advisory boards in each market you enter. Publish state-specific disclosures on your website clearly. Train teams on refund rules and consumer laws per state. For distance education, explore reciprocity frameworks available. Even with reciprocity, watch professional licensure requirements. Do not enroll in a state until you confirm authorization status. Synchronize state, accreditor, and internal launch calendars. Run mock compliance checks before first day of class. Create cross-campus retention and early alert systems. Monitor KPIs weekly in the first 2 terms per location. Respond quickly to feedback, adjust schedules and services. Keep leadership visible. Presence builds trust and solves issues. Celebrate first cohort milestones to energize teams. Document all approvals, track renewals by location and program. Standardize branding while honoring local partnerships. Protect academic quality. Scale only when systems hold. An accreditation consultant can coordinate multi-state evidence. They pace filings to avoid bottlenecks and findings. Expansion is a disciplined relay, not a sprint. Choose states where demand and timelines fit your strategy. Start where success is most likely, then radiate outward. Reinvest early gains into infrastructure and student support. Stay transparent with students during ramp-up phases. Keep a teach-out plan template ready as a risk control. Make continuous improvement portable across campuses. When done right, multi-state growth compounds outcomes and ROI. Coordinate HR onboarding with state labor and payroll rules. Mirror your code of conduct and grievance paths at each site. Standardize training so students experience parity everywhere. Keep a central approvals matrix accessible to all managers. Schedule leadership walkthroughs during peak weeks. Ready to map a state-by-state expansion plan that actually works? Need a state expansion playbook aligned to your accreditor? Call me today to schedule your consultation at 925-208-9037 or email Sandra at experteduconsult.com.